If there is a fault on an injector, after removing the injection system, the seals on the other injectors are also replaced, as described in the operation Visual Inspection, Cleaning and Exchange of Seals on Injectors. As described in the operation Preparing for Injection System Installation, the injectors which are not replaced are fitted with new bolts. On the injector to be replaced, just unscrew the two supports and do not replace with new bolts. Disconnect the wiring harness plug and detach the injector from the fuel rail. Inspect the new injector at the wiring harness plug, shaft and tip, and at the top of the fuel inlet for damage to the O-ring, the spacer and the metal washer. After inspecting the injector, fit the calibration tool by twisting as protection. Lightly coat the O-ring with fresh engine oil and then insert the new injector in the fuel rail. Screw in new bolts with thread locking compound. And tighten as specified in the service literature. Connect the wiring harness plug.